Section 1. Right foot side drag, recover, scarf. Right foot forward. Left foot forward, half turn to right, walk, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Left foot hip pump together, hip pump together, hip pump together. Right foot quarter turn to right heel ground, left back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Right foot behind side cross point. Left foot cross side behind point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. Right foot cross point, cross point. Right foot cross half turn to left, heel bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.